Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
All right, we start off the 24-hour temperature cast way up in the 60s. I think we're going to find daytime highs that likely get up over 80 today and more numbers in the 60s tomorrow. That's like 20 degrees warmer than normal for this time of the year. We should be someplace closer to 45 for morning lows. And we're going to see a lot of temperatures closer to 65 this morning. Now on the satellite radar composite, there are some clouds, even a few showers way off to the north. We're talking Birmingham and Atlanta north, but that's where the opportunities for showers look like they're going to stay. It's 67 at the Tallahassee Airport this morning, 66 in Valdosta, 64 for us in Thomasville. There is a decent breeze from the west or southwest. That's important because it's helping to limit some of the fog. Our dew point numbers are up over 60. We've got some moisture in the air. You're going to notice a little bit more of that icky, sticky humidity feel, not like the middle of summer, but more than we would expect to feel in mid to late February. Now it's 67 in Marianna, it's 68 degrees at Quincy, Perry's at 66, it's 65 in Tifton, and Homerville, Live Oak, and Cross City all checking in at 64. Most of us getting that breeze from the west and southwest, and that will keep the air moving so we don't see lots of areas impacted by fog. I see a little reduction in visibility around Perry. That's it. So most spots we're talking better than 7-mile visibility, and that's even with this increased humidity. And I do think as this breeze continues today, tonight, tomorrow, we should keep the fog at a minimum. Not a lot going on for the eastern part of the country, not with a big ridge of high pressure slowly sliding across the Florida Peninsula. All of the energy stays shunted off to our north, and that's where all the opportunities for wet weather or winter weather are going to stay. We've got this warmer air mass taking over, and we'll start to increase the humidity a little bit, but we're going to keep things pretty warm. Now, I do think we're going to find clouds. It's not going to be straight up blue skies, but it's also not going to be that gray, gloomy, overcast, unsettled look and feel like it should be raining all the time. So we'll go with more combination skies over the next few days and these warmer conditions. Southwest winds on the Gulf turning a little bit more south, 8 to 16, and seas 1 to 3 feet. Most of us this morning in the 60s. I think this afternoon, some sun, some clouds, and 80s for highs. For tonight, it's likely going to stop in the 60s again. Maybe some of the cooler spots can find some upper 50s. Maybe a little bit of patchy fog tomorrow morning, but as long as that breeze continues to blow, I don't think we're going to find a whole lot of fog. And there's that 7-day forecast. Once we start to get up past 83 and 84, we are talking possible records. It looks like we start that tomorrow and might keep it all the way through the upcoming weekend.